All right, mixed time. Diana, do you bowl?
Every once in a while.
What's your high score?
Oh, highest? Like 120.
120. Maybe your problem is you're not doing it right. You got to do it backwards.
What?
Case in point. Watch this. It's absolutely incredible. This is Andrew Cowan. He has set a world record. This is real, folks.
Whoa.
He's bowled a 280. 300's a perfect game. He bowled a 280 backwards. This is what he does.
No way this is
he
real.
twists his hand, and it says, it doesn't hurt his hand any more than when he bowls forward. He broke the record, which was a 278, which had stood since 2006. So anyway, this guy from Rockford, Illinois, is the champion with almost a perfect score.
I will
280 bowling
incredible.
backwards. Look, did he get the spare yet? I was too busy
he got
reading.
it. No, he
Isn't that
got
crazy?
it.
He even
It's
gets the spare.
It's incredible. Look. Wow, that's incredible. I will say when I bowl, I always figure if I could get it down the same line every time, so I always try and do the exact same thing over and over again. It never works, but this is working for him.
This is working just fine for him. We got to try it that way. Maybe we'll be better.
Wow. Okay, so we're going to, from there to this really cool video. This is, every time we have these videos of soldiers coming home to surprise their families, we always want to show them because they're just so great and emotional. Well, this one, we have a little compilation here. This is a soldier who decides to surprise his entire family. It starts out with his dad, and then it goes to mom, and then to sister. So take a look. Here it starts out with dad. You'll be able to see the reaction.
Oh, you look great.
Well, this meeting is over. This meeting is over.
More important meeting going on here.
Oh my God. There you have it. Clearly that meeting was over with the dad. And then he goes to surprise his mom, who's a school teacher. So there she is in the classroom hugging her son. No. Little library action there. Of course, she's loving this moment. Everybody be quiet. This is so great. And then there's one more reunion with his sister. She's a receptionist. And as you can see, here it comes. This is the best part. So she comes around, she opens the door, she gives him a big hug as soon as she sees him, and throughout the entire video you'll see she kind of stops hugging him, she looks at him, and then she hugs him again. She stops, she looks at him, and she hugs him again. She almost can't believe that he's there, so she wants to hold on to him and make sure this moment is real. So sweet and wonderful.
Beautiful
as
moment.
Usual. Yeah.
Okay, let's introduce you to the luckiest couple on earth. Check them out. There they are. Here they are. Yeah, amazing. Calvin and Zatara Spencer. This is why they're the luckiest couple in the world. They won the lottery 3 times in 1 month. Listen to this. They missed the Powerball by 1, so they got a $1 million jackpot in March. 2 weeks later, they win a $50,000 Pick 4 game, and then they won another $1 million scratch-off the following day. Can you believe this?
Jealousy
3 times.
much?
Yeah, we're jealous. Luckiest couple on earth.